Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to disable ads in Samsung phones. You can follow this procedure for any of the new M series phones or the S10 lineup. So when you see this screen while setting up the phone, what people do in a hurry is they check the last option which says I have read and agree to all of the above. Please don't do that if you want to enjoy an ad-free experience. Just check the end user license agreement and the privacy policy. You don't need to check the other options which are diagnostic data and marketing information. It says I agree to receive marketing information. In other words, it's saying that we will show you ads. Now just click next. On the next screen, you will be shown recommended Samsung apps. Deselect the ones you're not gonna use. Like I'm not gonna use the internet browser and email apps from Samsung. Also, I don't use Samsung members. I'll keep the rest of them and click next. Here you can sign into your Samsung account or create a new one if you want. I'll skip that for now. I agree to Samsung partners is checked by default. I'll uncheck that and proceed. Next, you will be asked about recommendations based on gender. Just skip that. Now again, deselect all of the recommended apps you don't want and click finish. Here, uncheck this option about recommendations for apps and click finish. One last thing to do is look for an app called My Galaxy on your phone and disable it. That app will trouble you with a lot of unnecessary notifications. That's it guys, you're now good to go. If you liked this video or found it helpful, smash the like and subscribe buttons below and share this video with friends and family who would find it useful. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you in the next one.